What's up, everybody? We are headed down over to Cecil County Dragway tonight. Beautiful, beautiful late October evening, Friday night down here at Cecil County, so it'll be like a streetcar night or whatever. Really excited. We're taking Frank's 89 Trans Am, so with the 6-liter LS T56 swap, and we're also taking my dad's IROC, so 1989 5.3 swapped 4L60E with a converter. It's got some gear in it too, 373 gear. So getting excited to see what it'll do. So this will be the first time we've taken it back to the racetrack since we did all of the updates to it. So you have to go back and check out some of the other videos to see exactly what all we did. Just a quick overrun. Did a set of 243 heads that we cut a little bit for some compression. It's got a TBSS intake with a Motion Icon 92mm throttle body. We did a BTR Stage 4 truck cam and a 10-inch, about a 3500 stall transmission specialties converter. But anyways, yeah, we're pretty excited about this. Golly, it's such a beautiful night. Such a beautiful night. So the air is supposed to be down around, I think by the end of the night it'll probably be around 200 foot DA is what we saw forecasted, so that should be pretty good. Well, the good news is the car ran pretty decent, 1260 at 109 mile an hour. Bad news is I got a new noise out of the rear end already, and it definitely does not sound happy. So we might be done. Just part of the deal. So I'm gonna look and see what I can find on it. All right, kind of first look here. If you notice, there's a fair amount of rocks and pebbles all stuck to that tire over there. Not near as many on this one. I have a feeling this let go in the burnout box, so pretty interested to see what kind of carnage we have in there. Might not be anything, might be just broken spider gears, but we're still trying to figure out what we want to do. So I'm not sure. So the easy and quick solution, cheap solution, would be to put a posi unit in it. More funner solution, a solution that would keep it from ever happening again, would be to put a quick performance 9-inch in it. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. All right, we're backing her out of the trailer. I wonder if I can capture the noise that this thing makes on camera. It is terrible. Obviously the worst when it's turning. So let's see what we can see. Weird, it's quiet right now. It was seeming worse on left turns. About to go around this cul-de-sac, so hear something scraping, but it is not making the noise it was. Obviously didn't fix itself. I hate noises that come and go. Guys at the track, this was bad. I'm hoping you could catch that on the. It's weird. It's like it's. I don't know what it's doing. It's making more of a whirring noise now. It's very different. I guess we'll pull it apart at some point, so probably not today. Definitely got some glitter in it. Ooh. I can see something's moving around that shouldn't be. I don't know if it's gonna be like really broken, considering that when I drove it last, it was pretty quiet. There's definitely a ton of wear. That's not good. Well, the cross pin bolt broke. It's going to be major surgery to get this apart. Probably. Sucks.
back down to the crux of the issue. So this is the cross pin that the spider gears ride on. And what I found was that the spider gears had actually seized onto the shaft. You can see how galled up this is in both positions where the spider gears ride. This should be smooth, shiny like this. Part of this surface is here. But with it galled up like this, I mean, it got hot and then it got gummy and then it seized. And that's, I'm sure, where our noise was coming from. I think the issue really stems from, this is probably not like good grade steel, that, you know, hardenable steel. So it's, I've never seen a hardened shaft do this before, unless it got so hot that it actually like annealed it, I guess. But I don't know. Can't imagine that would have been the case. Maybe. But anyways, so that's what's broke. So unfortunately, we had to cut the darn carrier apart in order to be able to get this stupid thing out, and to be able to service this thing. I mean, I guess it could have probably rode for a while, and then this thing would have eventually broke, and it would have taken out a bunch of stuff, and we would have been replacing all of the parts that I'm replacing anyways. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and order a fresh ring and pinion. This ring and pinion had some kind of weird thing. The wear on it was a little funny in the center of the ring gear. It made a smidge of noise. It wasn't bad, but we'll put a fresh ring and pinion in it, and I'm gonna get a well, Eaton makes it, a Detroit True Track, what we'll put in it. So this car is not supposed to be a screamer. Definitely showed some promise at the racetrack. I'd love to be able to take it out one more time, but I do kind of think that we may wrap this up and take it back down to my dad's house. Maybe we'll do a draggy or something, or maybe I'll have an opportunity to run it out at Silver Dollar down there, kind of full circle there. But anyways, thanks for sticking along with this project. I'll try to maybe make an update or two kind of as we go, but for the most part, I think we're pretty much done with this one. So I guess we'll catch you on the next one.